Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss second stage of PLC. The name of second stage is growth stage. As I already told yesterday, PLC stand for product life cycle. There are 4 stages in PLC. These are introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage and decline stage. Yesterday I discussed first stage, that was introduction stage. Today I will discuss second stage, that is growth stage. So here we have written the meaning. Growth stage is the second stage. Yes, introduction was the first stage, growth is the second stage, where the product has been launched successfully. Yes, till now in introduction we had studied in introduction stage product is launched. So till growth stage we know product has been launched successfully. Okay, afterwards with the sales beginning to increase. Yes, in introduction stage sales were not increasing, sales volume was 0 or very less. Now in growth stage sales are beginning to increase rapidly in this stage as new customers enter the market. Yes, why sales are increasing? Because new customers are increasing and old customers make repeat purchases. Yes, if there are already customer in your product line and if you are adding new product in your same product line, then old customer may repeat purchasing. Okay, so growth stage is the second stage in which new customers are coming because product is growing in market, sales are growing, so profit will also grow. As customers are growing, so market share will also increase, and finally profits will increase and cost will reduced. As we know, in introduction stage costs were more, but in growth stage profit will be increasing, sales will be more and cost will be less. So here are features, or we can say characteristics also of growth stage. Point A, reduce cost because of economies of scale. We must know what's the dictionary meaning of economies of scale. It means large production. Yes, as customer demand is large, so we are producing the same product in large quantity. As I told yesterday, customer was purchasing just for trial, he or she was doing trial purchase, so we were manufacturing or producing only small quantity. Now customer is more, sales are increasing, so for fulfilling the needs of demand, for fulfilling the customer demands, we will have to increase production quantity. So reduce cost because of economics of scale means large production. Second, increase in competition. Yes, as new products are coming in market, there will be increase in competition. There will be increase in competition. Increase in competition with the customer having greater choices in the form of different types of product, packaging and prices. Third, market expansion. Yes, your market will be expand with new customers being added. Dominant position. Yes, your reputation and image or position in the market will increase. You will have dominant or powerful position. So what is point D? It is written dominant or powerful position created by focusing on increasing selective demand. Next, point E, increase in profit. I already discussed in the beginning. As sales are increasing, costs are decreasing, so profit will increase. Next, point F, cost. Just correct the spelling, not cost incurred. Cost अभी भी लगेगी, it doesn't mean कि cost नहीं लगेगी. Cost will be reduced, but there will be some cost still. Cost incurred on identifying new uses of the same product, developing the product, promotion and distribution. Yes, there will be some cost right now also. Example, here is the very good example of growth stage. As you know, mobile phones are in the growth stage. Yes, mobile phones are the life, they are the very important part in today's life of every person. So yes, mobile phones are in growth stage with new models being continuously launched. Yes, they are changing in terms of model only, but their use is similar. Apple launched its iPhone 12 Pro recently. Yes, Apple is very famous and it is launching new models just for attracting customers. So mobile phones are in the growth stage. Next, marketing strategy in growth stage. Which strategy or long term planning? I already discussed the meaning of strategy means long term planning. So here also we will discuss the various marketing strategies for growth stage. Point A, product quality is maintained and additional features and services may be added. Yes, product quality is maintained. आप product को और maintain करेंगे and you will add features and additional services into it. Pricing may remain same. Yes, in introduction stage we had discussed this, that we can set either low price or high price. We can set low price just to penetrate the market. We can set high price also to cover our cost. So pricing may remain same. Yes, we have set pricing in introduction stage. So in growth stage pricing will be same as the firm, because the firm is having increasing demand of customer and there is some competition. There is little competition, not very much competition. So there is no need to change in price. Next, distribution channels. I will discuss in detail about distribution channels in later topics. So just distribution channel means the person or middleman or intermediaries who are distributing goods from manufacturer to customer. Those can be retailer, wholesaler, distributor, agent, broker and many more. So distribution channel आप add कर सकते हैं as demand is rising and customer accept the product, because there are lots of customer and a single manufacturer or marketer cannot go door to door just to sell his or her products to every customer. So yes, you will have to add distribution channels. 1G, promotion is aimed at a broader audience. Yes, as your audience is increasing, your customers are increasing, so you will have to promote it more for the broader audience. Last, as there, correct the spelling of there, THERE. As there is an increase in competitors. Yes, little competition is increasing. There is increase in competition. So every firm will have to build a brand, will have to seek about building brand preference. Yes, you will have to create brand now as competition is increasing, and afterward you can increase your market share. So this is the second stage of PLC. I will discuss third stage next in next video. Okay, thank you. Just learn this. It is very important topic. Thank you for listening, everyone.